Hey guys, and today I'm going to unbox something that I got from Amazon. It came on August 2nd, but I couldn't get it on August 2nd because I was gone to Danny Carter Hockey School. And if you're wondering where I got this shirt, it's from Danny Carter Hockey School. If you can see, it's from Danny Carter Hockey School. So let's just get right into this package without wasting time. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's all down there so I don't break anything. Oh, and I also got my trusty scissors. So, okay, I didn't rip anything. That's good. Okay, I just saw something. Don't know what that is. Okay, they actually arrived. Alright, so all of this stuff is for my scooter. So it's just one of the things that I got. New handlebar grips. They're MGP, I think. No, Pro Scooter ones. They're the Pro Scooter ones, so they're really, really good grips. Super good grips. Super good grips. I got a pivot, but I think they'll be the right length for it. This is the last one. My new Oil Slick scooter wheels. I never actually got to look at them yet, but you can actually get a view of what they look like from the front. So I'm just gonna cut through the middle, and I'm just gonna get into the box. So, okay. Now they're cut open. Okay, I just opened a box by mistake, so I'm gonna open that one first. Come on, get off. Okay, I got the scotch tape off. So, well, it's not scotch, but anyway. Let's see. Whoa. There's my Oil Slick scooter wheels. I'll show you from right up front to the camera. There's the other side. And the other wheel is exactly the same, but it might be nicer. Let's just see. Huh? Same wheel. Yeah, it is. But I'm just gonna get it out of the box. Oh, and if you're wondering who was talking to me, that was my dad. Ugh. So here's both of the wheels together. They're both Oil Slick. The reason why I got these wheels is because, well, I already have Oil Slick wheels, but the Oil Slick that's in the inside of them is getting run out, and my wheels are getting flat. So that's just why I got new wheels, and the grips is because my grips aren't really good, so I got new grips because of that, and I'm gonna unbox these too. So yeah, just for you to get a closer look at them. Wow. Did I just get cut? No, I don't think. Yeah, probably never. Okay. Okay. So here's the grips up close. Out of the package. They're Pro Scooter grips, and they're really, really long, but I don't really care, so. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.